memorandum to the governor today regarding the same issue. We have also explained to her something interesting has come to light. You see this plan which is approved by the CRZ authorities in 2008. It does not show any helipad at the existing site. In fact, it shows a helipad, proposed helipad here, that is just opposite the church. The fort is here, and the existing helipad is here. This plan is approved in 2008, so it does not show any helipad at this, any existence of helipad. That is because there was never a helipad. Helicopters is to land. As per the DGCA rules, you don't need permission for a temporary landing of helicopters. But if you want to use it for commercial activities, then you need a permission. And that helipad should have been here, which is still not constructed. So what the minister is saying that it is existing for 30 years, it is wrong. This is a plan approved by the government department, the Coastal Regulatory Zone Management Authority. Also, we have this plan from the survey department. You see, this is the fort area. This is the 500-meter line. So this is the 500-meter line. And the helipad, what they are trying to use now is somewhere here, within the 500 meters
of CRZ.
Now CRZ rules, whether it is in CRZ 1 or 2 or 3, is very clear. Helipad can be constructed only for emergencies and not for commercial. That is as per office order of the Minister of Environment and Forest. It says that whether it is in CRZ 1, 2 or 3, not to be used for commercial purpose. So what they are doing is legally wrong. If they don't stop it, we've got all options open. We can go to the court and get it stayed. And we are going to do that. They are trying to do this illegal. They are fooling the people. There was never a helipad. It is not designated. It cannot be designated as a helipad because of the plan that I have shown you. The helipad is shown somewhere else, and they are using this area in CRZ area. So we have explained to the governor. Governor seems to have understood the implications because at first she said, I'm happy that helicopter rides are starting, but when we showed this, she has understood. This, what they are trying to do is totally illegal and against the laws of the